Yeah. Now imagine this as a fish farm that leaves millions of fish in it, right? But the problem is that in this fish farm, there's no hospital. So what I'm going to talk today is that on what a blue shield for the fish living in the fish farm. Let's say we culture starting from our shrimps to and also towards our ornamental fish farms. What happens if any disease cause on fish? Our practice is that the farmers change the water in their farming sites, and also the other practice is that we introduce antibiotics. It can cause leads to the development of superbugs. So this is a big environmental issue. Okay, so now I am going to propose a concept called a blue shield, where instead of applying antibiotics, we can use vaccines. So one way, so you can call it a blue shield, a hidden hospital in a farm. You can use vaccines as initially you can either use inactivated bacteria that inject, or you can immerse fish in a vaccine bath as inactivated bacteria which can activate the immune system of aquaculture organisms, that the organisms that you culture. And also there's another way, DNA vaccine. You will introduce a DNA vector that carries the certain genes expressing a small antigen component that could trigger the immune responses inside of fish. So that you call the DNA vaccines. Another strategy is that, so this is one of the most effective strategies that could adapt to Sri Lankan farming societies as well, that you can think of mixing the vaccines with fish feed and then provide it as an oral vaccine.
So my question is, if this DNA vaccine can be used in plant for the plant protection?
Yeah, you can also use DNA vaccines that is to act in plant as well. But when it comes to plant modifying, the strategies are entirely different. Mostly what I recommend is coming up with transgenic plants, genetically modified plants.
Now, to award a token of appreciation to Dr. Lalinka Herath, I would cordially invite Professor Chamari Hettiarachchi and Professor Inoka Pereira to come on stage and join us with the token of appreciation.